Hello guys, the paper A Indian language. Many people are messaging asking the same doubt, which I also had yesterday, and I've shown it in the step-by-step video which we did yesterday. That the portal is showing an error when you do the application page, right? When you do the application page, that is after your URN completion. When you go to application, you have this Indian language column. Okay, the medium, select the language for paper A. Select the language for paper A, and that is allowing us to choose English. Okay, so that is ideally a mistake because paper A is an Indian language which is the 8th scheduled languages, the 22 languages, which should be your Hindi, Tamil, Bengali, Oriya, Assamese, whatever is there. It should be those languages. Okay, English is paper B, mandatory paper, and here they are actually allowing. Actually, the drop down itself should not list it. So it's a technical glitch, and UPSC should be informed about this. We have already sent a mail also, but I think everybody should, by mistake, you should not select it. Okay, because here clearly it's written it is exemption is only for the northeastern some states students, and if you are like physically disabled, there is an exemption. So that is the only thing in the notification also. Okay, you can see mains exam. You have your paper A. Indian language paper, which is the one of the language from the 8th schedule of the constitution, 300 marks, and paper B is 300, which is English. So paper B, even filling option is not there in the form yesterday, because obviously it is English for everyone. But the Indian language, which is the 8th scheduled languages, English is not considered an Indian language in the 8th schedule in the 22 official recognized languages. Okay, and if you see the exemptions part also, if you see paper A only for Arunachal, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, for them it is not compulsory. Okay, not compulsory, and persons with benchmark disability or hearing impairment and all, provided that in your education place also, in your university and all, there also you got exemption, then you can provide an undertaking and you can skip this paper. Okay, but others have to write an Indian language. Okay, so if you see here, this is the place in civil service examination form, in the application part, there you have to select the medium here, and here language. Okay, so medium, it's like either you write the paper in English, write the paper in Hindi, that is the medium, that is fine. But after that, this paper A, language of paper A, is actually to choose the language, the 22 languages. So there they are. If you see Hindi or something is what in your mind you will be having in your past attempt and all, you would be giving a regional language, Hindi, Tamil, whatever, Kannada. So, but here they are actually allowing you to choose English. So it's a mistake. Okay, so it's a mistake, and don't choose English, because then your paper A, paper B, both you would be like English, and that day I don't know what question paper they'll give to you. Okay, it's actually a mistake. You should not choose English here. Send this video to everyone, share maximum, and let the portal get updated. Okay, so it's very important. Don't fill English in paper A in the mains section. Okay, the mains filling section in the application side. Don't do this.